take a look at. And it's yet another low mile, clean Carfax, locally owned vehicle. Get a lot of people that question where our vehicles come from. How do we get them? Tell people they find us, believe it or not. Been in business long enough that if someone wants to consign a vehicle or has an estate that has some for sale, or they come to us, and that's where these vehicles come from. This one here, 2006 Chevrolet Trailblazer SS. So it's the all-wheel drive variety. 17,348 miles on it right now. Those are actual. The same owner had this vehicle since '07 up until present. Brought it for us to consign and sell for him. And like I mentioned, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, and only a little over 17,000 miles. And what a beauty. Summit white, ebony leather and suede cloth interior. And again, that LS2 6-liter underneath the hood, 395 horse, 400 pound-feet of torque, all-time all-wheel drive, has a 4-speed, heavy-duty automatic transmission with overdrive. Let's go ahead and take a look at the front fascia on this thing. You can just tell it's been babied, very well taken care of. And I'll show you when we get around to the inside also what that looks like. Wow. But first, you can check out the still pictures. You want to take your time looking at this vehicle. Look at the underside. Look at the interior, the engine bay. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, you can call us at 507-386-1726. In those still pictures, you're going to see a picture of the window sticker. If you want to see that, you're going to be able to check out all the RPO codes on this vehicle. There's a picture of the RPO codes on a sticker that's in the glove box. All the manuals, the navigation disc, everything that comes with this vehicle like it came new back in 2006. Of course, riding on the stock 20-inch 6-spoke polished wheels. Rubber was replaced in 2021. Recently, person selling this vehicle replaced the tires due to age. So it will ride out, drive out. Don't be afraid to get in it. And they are extreme contact Continental radials. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. I want to open this rear hatch for you. I want to show you this whole vehicle inside and out. And again, you'll be able to check that all out in the pictures, but just look at this. In the little storage compartment back here, we can lift this handle, lift it up. There is the pigtail for the wiring harness on the back that will go to your trailer, and then there is also the headphones, which would be wireless, and the remote. As you can see, there's the DVD player in the back, Panasonic, and the headphones and the remote would be in that little cubby for those backseat passengers that want to use it. Speaking of back seat, I'm going to take a peek there too. Again, this vehicle looks like new inside and out. You're going to be able to see that in all the still pictures. Rear seat controls, and those would be for the fan, for say like your HVAC fan speed. You can turn it on and off. And then of course you'll also have rear seat audio controls there. All right, let's check out the front. All right, as you can see, power seat. First off, let's go ahead and take a peek at the condition of the seat. Take a look at that. Now, when you see some of these markings in there, that is basically from fingers or something rubbing on it. And that is actually the nap of the cloth. So that is still very supple, as you can see. It is not discolored or stained. It's actually the nap of the cloth. Come around here, the door. Heated seats, back portion, and the seating portion. Power windows, power locks, memory seating, of course. Coming to the inside, it does have power pedals. See that one right there? That is actually going to raise and lower the pedals down there, if you can see that. And this would be your tilt for the column. course, cruise control. Driver's information center. Controls on the steering wheel. Also radio, volume, change the stations, change the source. Moving over to the dash, let's take a look at those exact miles here. There it is, 17,348. Slipping around over here. Rear window wiper. Dual electronic climate control. Here's your navigation radio. I'll switch to nav, push the button. There we are. Dash, also in great shape. Home link for your garage door opener. And then, of course, OnStar. Mirror with compass. Headliner. Let's take a look at all of this. Good shape. No surprises on this one, folks. None at all. Slip around to the back. It's all stock. I have not noticed any modifications on this. Sounds as you would expect. I'm going to pause this a second. We'll quick take a peek underneath that hood. Let's just see how neat and tidy that is, and we'll wind up this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There we go, hood popped. Remember, LS2, 6-liter, 395 horse, 400 pound-feet of torque, of course, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. That is paired up with an automatic, heavy-duty overdrive transmission. Wow. I think you'd be tough-pressed to find one this clean with this kind of miles on it. 2006 Chevrolet Trailblazer SS. 17,348 miles with the same owner since 2007. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.